How to get more views on YouTube. 1. It takes a lot of patience and hard work. One day you could blow up, the next day you won't. 2. You should not delete your videos/shorts. It will mess up the algorithm and you will go to 0 views. 3. It's semi about luck. One day you might post and get lucky, the next none, but it also depends on your content, the thumbnails, building up subscribers, and times you post. 4. Make sure it's a niche you can make plenty content off of and you don't run out of ideas. Stick to what's blowing up and go with that. 5. Make sure you plan ahead before you make a YouTube. Brainstorm a niche. Write down ideas about what you want it about. Have plenty of videos made for a day you don't feel like uploading, or if views get low, you never know what will work and won't. 6. Don't let low views get you down. You never know what video is gonna go off, and you will never know if you give up. Everyone has a number, rather that's 1 or 100. 7. Have fun. YouTube is about exploring and figuring out what works best for you, and get to know your audience. You want to talk to them as you're talking to one specific person.